Hey guys, welcome back to Project Rubber Band. Usually we're doing gas stuff, mini bikes, go-karts, but I've had a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, and it is electric, so this will be interesting. So it's a refab, nothing to do with the insides, the electrical. It's just a redoing of the thing I'm about to show you. So let's get into it. So basically, this hoverboard has a broken fender on this side, a cracked fender on that side, and a terrible scratched up paint job. So the glue I'm thinking of using is this liquid nails. I have no idea. We're just gonna see if this will work, and if it doesn't, we're gonna find another solution. That's what I'll be using. And then over here, this needs to be like stay straight up like this, and it needs to like be seamless. So the cracks need to be like, it needs to be pushed together more than that. So the idea is, if I take this off, this foam, I'm going to pinch it up like this, and I'm gonna stick it in between right here. Alright guys, basically what I did is the glue kind of didn't work for the sides, so like right here for the sides, so and it would lift up and like the glue would crack. So basically what I did is I took Bondo and I put it all around here. I'm gonna show you close up. So basically I put Bondo all in here, and like, look at this. It's what I want, pretty much. That obviously like doesn't look very good. So we're gonna be using this sandpaper right here, about 150, 220, and we're gonna see if we can smooth this out, which you can because it's Bondo. Alright guys, so I did this side, and then look, it started cracking on the line again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix up some more Bondo and hit like this whole edge here. It only takes like 15 minutes to dry, so it'll be fine. So as you can see, I got it all done along here, and the next step is pretty much wait. It says 12 to 15 minutes on the can, so I'm just gonna wait that 12 to 15 minutes, and we're gonna hit it with the sandpaper again and see if it'll hold. Alright guys, so I got this drum roll just to quicken the work, and we're gonna see how it works. So far, so good. Alright guys, so I finished with the drum roll. I'm gonna hit it with the sandpaper again, and just to get it smooth, because right now it's rough, but I got the general shape that I want. So I'm gonna hit it with the sandpaper, and then I think we should be good. This is a finished job. It's a little rough, but I think it'll be fine because it's just a hoverboard, and I'll be painting this, so I think we're gonna be good. Alright, so the next step will be to tape off the spots where I don't want the paint to get on, so then I can get to painting. Alright guys, so I got everything taped up and ready for paint. The idea with this paint is I just have this classic 2X Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch paint. Now I'm literally just gonna do one coat. I want black, but I want matte black, and this probably has a shine involved. So what I'm gonna do is this is just gonna be the first coat to get most of the silver out of the way, and then I'll go with like another can of the paint that I actually want, and I will spray over it. So let's get painting. The next step will be to put a coat of the matte black paint I just got. It's the same brand, Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Paint Primer, but the only difference is one says flat black and one says satin canyon black. So I'm hoping the flat black is matte black, but we're gonna put a coat of that on the whole hoverboard, and then we'll see how it puts on. And then if I want to do another coat, I can, because there's a lot of paint in one can. Alright guys, so right here it says apply another coat within 1 hour or after 48 hours. Which basically means you can put a coat on the fresh coat within the hour, or you have to wait for 48 hours to put another coat on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a coat on within the hour if it needs it, but I'm still waiting for it to dry, so I have not determined that yet. Now everything on the top is dry enough to see what it will look like when it's completely finished, so I'm going to show you guys that. So this is what it will look like when it's finished, and there were a couple spots like right here on the top. There was something I had to take off, and then over here it was like honeycomb almost. It was weird, so I'm gonna have to repaint over that. So I'm gonna give this whole top another coat, and then I think this paint job will be done. Alright guys, it is looking so good. This project is almost done. The last steps is to take all the tape off, and I kept putting coats on this side because there's a little like distortion on the fender right there. I'm going to take all the tape off, and after that it'll be done. So yeah, that's the end of the build. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to support my channel, hit that like and subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment because I love to hear what you guys think about the video, and I'll see y'all next time.